Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to send money from the USA to Nepal in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for services, or investing abroad, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Let's dive right in. First off, why 2025? With new digital regulations and improved international transfer options, sending money has never been easier or more efficient. The most popular methods include online services like Wise, Remitly, or Western Union, traditional bank transfers, and even mobile apps that support direct international payments. Start by choosing a reliable provider. Look for ones with low fees and competitive exchange rates, as these can vary widely. Here are the key steps to get you started. Step 1. Sign up or log in to your chosen service. Most platforms like Wise require just an email and some basic verification, which you can do via your phone or ID. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details in Nepal, including their bank account information, like the account number and SWIFT code. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 3. Input the amount you want to send in USD, and the service will convert it to Nepalese rupees based on the current rate. Keep an eye out for 2025 updates. Some services now offer real-time rate locks to protect against fluctuations. Step 4. Review the transaction fees, which might range from 1% to 5% depending on the method, and confirm the payment using your bank account, credit card, or digital wallet. Once sent, the money usually arrives in 1 to 3 business days, but always track your transfer for peace of mind. Pro tip. For security, use two-factor authentication and avoid public Wi-Fi when making transfers. Also, consider the economic climate in Nepal. With 2025's potential inflation changes, timing your send could save you money. There you have it. That's how you can send money from the USA to Nepal hassle-free in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be supporting your loved ones in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.